In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install WinRAR on Windows 10, so let's jump into it. So what you need to do, you need to open up a web browser, go to Google and just do a search for WinRAR. Once you've done that, you can then find the WinRAR website, which will be www.win-rar.com, and here you can download WinRAR for completely free. So when you're on the website, you'll see Buy WinRAR and Download WinRAR. Just go ahead and click on the download button and it will take you to this page, again where it will ask you to buy it. You don't need a license to use WinRAR, you can just continue to download it for free. Once you've done that, go ahead and enter in your email if you want to, but even if you don't enter in your email, you'll still get the download link here. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and run this, so go ahead and open it, and then you can choose where you want to install it to. It's going to install it to the C drive program files by default. Go ahead and click install, and just go ahead and leave this all on default and then click OK and then done. And there you go, you've now installed WinRAR and you can use it to extract and zip up files. So I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you do leave a like and comment down below.